Big up everybody who check in. Remember to like, share, comment and subscribe. Now people attack with Portland controlled by the Vaz family. Both members of the same political party and one of them the Minister of Transport. How come not even a good bridge Portland have? The people are saying this administration can do nothing for them. Why keep them in power? If you agree with that statement and you want to see the opposition in power, comment Marky G for Prime Minister. I'm going to say what I go on and then we are continue reasoning. Look and listen.
We don't have a bridge. A truck went on it last night and break it down finally. So we are trapped in. Now the rain is falling and we don't have no way in, no way out. 3 persons was in the truck. They had to rush them to the hospital.
I'm glad that no life was lost and nobody get hurt seriously maybe. But at the same time, I'm still glad that the bridge teared down. Because it was like a trap. Because people disregard the sign and a drive across here. So they have stuff there before, whether you like the sign or not, you couldn't cross because the stuff was there to stop you from taking your chance.
Now that the bridge break down, nobody no come and put nothing. They say it out of use completely. So we need somebody to come put something there. Like if somebody are coming at the night, they're not gonna know say the bridge break down. Because the bypass rain fall, what if it water come over and them normally just drive on the bridge? So we need somebody to come put something there that we can know say the bridge not in use anymore.
Now anywhere the money come from, it have to go fix. Now we can hear it. We have to go if this is emergency. So if you have money to do something else, you have to go use it. Yes or no, because this is very essential and important. Because right now the rain fall, and if it come hard with whole heap of debris coming down, we can't pass none at all. Nobody knows.
Now, tell me what you think. People are asking a simple question. Why keep a government in power that has done and cannot do for its people? Because with the government in power, with an entire parish voting for the same party, different areas of the parish, so different MPs, but these MPs are not only a married couple, but they are also members of the same party. And even in a constituency or even in a parish like that, we realize Minister Vaz has still been unable to do for its people. Recently before we see the government decides they're going to fix all of the road them, or sign a contract with a company contracted to fix all of the road them, because we don't know when it happened and all of the roads have still not been fixed. So we don't know the details of the contract. We don't know when work is set to begin and when all of the roads are set to be completed. We don't know if all of the roads if all 14 parish road are going to get deal with. We don't know. Obviously that will be something that say take place. You know? Them do that part there, then do that part there. We don't know. We don't hear the details right yet. We don't know if it was just something that was done and publicized to gain the confidence of the people. So the people can say, well, yes, see the government will do something what they matter about. We don't know. But before that, we realize the Minister Vaz have to speak out in a parliament to get the attention of the Prime Minister, which was a surprise to most people, seeing that Mr. Vaz has been a long-standing member. Mr. Vaz has just started the politics. A long time. Mr. Vaz has been in representational politics. You don't think he have a direct line to the Prime Minister? It didn't seem that way. Seeing that his concerns are the fact that he must a road have to deal with now was not something where he did advise to the Prime Minister elsewhere. It looked like at the first the Prime Minister hear this. And also with tabloids that confirm say Mark Golin was one of the political winners of 2024, while the Prime Minister, Mr. Andrew Holness, was one of the losers politically of 2024. Because in the money wise, You know, and money wise. When them say political losers, and we not talk about financially. Because financially the Prime Minister is well off. But Mark Golding in 2024 gained the support of more Jamaicans. More of the voting Jamaicans. Whether we are talking about civil servants or civilians. Once upon a time, the Prime Minister was more known than Mark Golding. One at a time, people couldn't readily pick Mark Golding out of a lineup. Some people hear the name, they never know who him is. Some people hear Golding and think say, she's a brown man, a Bruce Golding's son. Some people think say, he was a member of the other party, just because of the name. But in 2024, more people not only became aware and they know who Mark Golding was, but then began to support Mark Golding and his endeavors to be the next Prime Minister of the Jamaican island, which was something we never think, nothing the Prime Minister did expect. Based on the popularity with the Prime Minister have, I feel like he did always believe say, people would always be more in support of him and his administration than to be in support of the opposition. And once upon a time I did say it ago. Once upon a time. But now, with even the tabloids are put out their 2024 roundup, and I say politically, them say even Nigel Clark was a winner. Remember? And them vote out Nigel Clark. Nigel Clark get a big job from the IMF and gone over the IMF. Even after parliamentarians get over 300% increase in wages, the wage with them offer Mr. Clark. Him decides him go over there. Millions him gonna make. Millions him could make at Jamaica. Like them all write a book. Nigel Clark write a book. I don't know if it's a book telling people how to become finance ministers, or is a book where anybody can use for finances for them day to day, for them business. But him write a book. Hardcover and paperback. Yeah, Nigel Clark write a book. They must say him one of the winners politically of 2024. And when you look at that true, Nigel Clark left before people start say, yo, Clark fault that, you know. Yo, Clark, yo. The Prime Minister, still being the Prime Minister, is here. And he might hear the frustrations of the people. And him being the most popular member of his party. If people even frustrated with a particular MP, or a particular minister, or a particular minister for a particular ministry, are the Prime Minister them cause? And with the Prime Minister now hoping to be re-elected by the government, or as the government, by the people. Fear all them people are criticizing. They say even the tabloids I say he's one of the political losers. You think them believe them are going to win the election? Tell the truth, you believe say if national tabloids on the Jamaican island, they believe say the Prime Minister was going to win the general election, they would have put him as one of the biggest losers politically of 2024. Them wouldn't do it. Them wouldn't do it. Them themselves believe say, based on what they must say, Mark Golding, the people must support. As I say, tell me if you agree. The comment section open. Don't me 24/7 never lucky yet. Just be respectful and mindful of the guidelines. But tell me, as I say, if you agree, comment Marky G for Prime Minister. It's simple. Now if you're new to the channel, just a pass through. Click the subscribe icon and then the bell icon, and of course put it on all. And this is how you know will be notified of all fresh content as soon as fresh content is uploaded and made available for you right here upon the platform. The like icon is also in close proximity to the share icon. Drop a like and bust a share. And tell a friend, tell them sister and them brother them to check out the channel, check out the reason, and also join the discussion in the comment section 24/7. Never lucky yet. Just be respectful and mindful of the guidelines. But other than that, drop your thoughts and comments and yes, your opinions there, and we can continue reasoning via the comment section. Now until the reason again, my sentiments for you and yours. I want to live, love and prosper. And also, if you do, stay tuned.